Hi there. Today we're going to be having a look at the Generation 3 Shelly devices. We'll also look at how easy they are to connect to your Wi-Fi network, and also we'll see how they can be used as a Bluetooth proxy within your home. So Shelly tells us that the third gens will be upgraded to Matter in the near future. They've got 8 megabytes of RAM, which means they're going to be faster, and also they've got Bluetooth on board, which is meaning we can do Bluetooth proxy. The onboarding is now super easy. Once you've given the Shelly power, open up the Shelly app and it will immediately show the device within here as it's connected via Bluetooth. Press the Add Device button and add via Bluetooth, and it will just follow through the steps. It's a Shelly 1 3rd gen. We go next. It will connect to our 2.4 Wi-Fi. Now, I would recommend disabling your Wi-Fi app. Now you can give it a name, and next. Add it to a room, and there we go. Your Shelly is all set up. Now we open up Home Assistant, click on Notifications, New Devices Discovered, and there's our Shelly. So let's go Configure. We want to set it up and finish. Now we can just select an area for this and finish. Now we go in and select our Shelly and we go here to configure. Now this is where you can set it to start scanning for Bluetooth devices on your network as a Bluetooth proxy. Easy as that. The other thing with the Gen 3s now, they are updatable within Home Assistant. So we click Install, and now it will bring it up to the latest firmware. So let's have a look at some of the models. First of all, we've got the Gen 1 Shelly. This can operate either off 110 or 240 volts AC, or it can operate on up to 30 volts DC. It has also got dry contacts, which means that you can control the switch from these contacts without it being linked to the supply voltage. It also has a switch that can be linked into this for controlling the relay manually. The beauty about the Shelly 1 is that it can operate on up to 16 amps. Next, we've got the Shelly 1 PM Mini. PM tells us that it's got power monitoring, so it'll tell us how much power the circuit is using. And the beauty about this device is it's absolutely tiny, 35 millimeters by 16 by 29 millimeters. This one is limited, however, to 8 amps. So the Shelly i4 does not have a relay, so you can't connect any circuits to this. However, it will sit behind your wall plate and you'll have 4 individual switches connected to it. With 4 switches, we have the possibility of 16 different actions that you can trigger in your smart home based off of this switch. So the Shelly dimmer 1 to 10 volt is quite different to normal Shelly dimmers. This is not connected directly to the input of a normal LED bulb. This is actually designed for operating on dimmer drivers that work from 0 to 10 volts. So effectively you would need to get a special type of driver for your LED, and then this device would put out anywhere from 0 to 10 volts, which would then control that actual driver. Now there's some other really interesting uses for this device as well. For example, on heat recovery units, as you know, I've installed one recently. Some of them actually allow you to have an input of 0 to 10 volts, which can control the amount of airflow or fan speed on that specific device. Unfortunately, my unit doesn't offer this, but I'm really interested to see what else we could use to control with this device. The Shelly Plus humidity and temperature sensor offers an e-ink display and runs off either 4 1.5 volt AA batteries, or it can run directly from a USB connection.